everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make falafel and Labneh dip today. First, I'll be making Labneh dip, so let's start. To a bowl, add 1 cup of strained yogurt, half teaspoon of garlic powder or 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt or to taste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Give it a mix. This is ready. Place this dip in the refrigerator until ready to be served. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to make falafel. 2 cups of dried chickpeas soaked in water for at least 12 hours. After they are soaked, please drain them very well. Please do not use canned or cooked chickpeas. Have small sized onion chopped roughly, 2 cups of roughly chopped parsley, half cup of roughly chopped cilantro, 1 green chili or 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder or to taste, 3 cloves of garlic or 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Place all the ingredients in a food processor. Blend to a coarse paste or until you are able to form a ball with this mixture. Please do not add any water while blending. This looks good. I'm able to form a ball. Please do not add all-purpose flour or any other kind of flour in this mixture. When you are ready to fry the falafel, add in 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste and 1/4 to half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a mix. Heat oil over medium heat. Best temperature for frying falafel will be in between 360 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Over here I have got sesame seeds. Let's start forming the falafel now. Take about 2 teaspoons of falafel mix. Form it into a round ball. Dip it in sesame seeds. Flatten it to 1/2 inch thickness. Make sure there are no cracks. Oil is hot. Drop the falafel very carefully into the oil with sesame seeds side down. Once you drop the falafel in the hot oil, please do not stir it or use a spoon until they become brown. Fry them for 2 minutes on each side. They are brown. Let's flip them. These are ready. Serve them immediately with Lebanese dip. Let's break this and see. It's perfectly cooked. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, then please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.